How to switch your Instagram account to a professional account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to switch your account to a professional account on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged in. Then you want to come to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on profile, find the gear icon or the menu icon at the top right, and then you'll get to the settings page. Scroll down all the way until you find the option for account type and tools under for professionals. Tap on it. Then you can just choose to switch to a professional account. Select the first option. Now just keep tapping next. Select what kind of professional account you want. Let's just do photographer for now. And if you want to display it on your profile, you can toggle this on and it will show you your profile as a photographer. Now tap on switch to professional account and wait for a bit. Select whether you want it as a creator or a business account. I'll just select creator for now and then tap on next again. Then you can simplify how you access your account. I'll just skip this. Now you could set up your profile and complete all of these goals. I'll just close this out. And if I just refresh my profile, as you can see, I'm able to view my professional dashboard, meaning my account has been changed to a professional creator account. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.